So here I'm here with my buddy William. We're gonna inspect the house right now. We pressure washed the back already because the back was really bad. Now we're gonna move to the front of the house, the sides. We're gonna inspect it. So let's go.
Come on.
Them gutters look like they could be washed. Some stink.
The bottom, yeah.
Yeah, the bottoms of the gutters. This is pretty decent.
What about the inside?
The windowsills, I would say you wash the windowsills. They look grody. Probably that right there. The base of that. Ooh, yeah, the front definitely.
You can pressure wash the leaves out of that.
The front, look at this. You can see the stuff on the front. Disgusting. So we'll hit the eaves and all that. And then we come around to this side of the house. Whoa!
There is no gutter.
Jeez, disgusting. So, right now, so we already did a pre-inspection. We're just re-inspecting it. So this side is really disgusting. So we're gonna hit that first. That's gonna be our main target. All right, let's do this. Cut. Whoa, 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 whoa! Yo, let's hit the cable line. Let's go. Careful. Ease up. Ease up. Ease up. There you go. Hey, hey, hey! Right there, right there. Put it right there. Go, cut me some slack. Put it in there. We're pressure washing the window, baby! Check, see if them leaves blow out that other side.
Okay, who's gonna spot the ladder?
Nobody has to, I got this.
Oh.
Whoa!
Yes, that is cool.
Yeah! Right, yeah!
That is awesome.
Backwater, baby! Woo!
Right.
On top of the roof, baby! Hey, got nothing.
Hang on.
It's not good. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Now, how in the world did the stones get up here?
This up.
Yo, what? Come on, bring it up, man.
Gary, somebody stop me with the ladder.
I got you. Dude, the slide is so crooked. Dude, you're gonna fall. You an idiot?
What if I just toss this
Come
up
on,
to you?
no, just come up here. You gotta hold it up. Come on, bro.
Oh, shit, dude, no wonder.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hang on. This thing isn't even on properly.
Hold up. There we go. It's on. I got you. Come on. Easy. Easy. Yo, we got cord. We got cord. Come on. We got plenty of cord. We ain't running short on hose. Alright, alright. Up here. Whoa! Ease up, ease up. Oh, shoot. Oh, we got a leakage.
Lady.
All right, let's go.
I ain't going up here.
No, man said you got to get up here.
I'm getting up here?
No. And the dumber and the dumbest folks around here. We're wearing Crocs up on the roof. What is up with that? Come on! If you like this video, you like it, subscribe it. We'll be good. Let's go.